The old man is getting sweaty, but we're almost there. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joel Hyppönen. This video is a little different one. It's a good old road trip, photo road trip, and I thought I would do a little bit of experimentation with using both of these cameras. One is roughly $250 point and shoot camera, and this one, Leica M6, is roughly 2.5K, so 10x, and I want to figure out what's the actual difference in results. So it's 4:05 in the morning. It's already quite bright outside, and I think the sunrise is happening any second, so might as well just get up and enjoy. So let's go. New film roll loaded. By the way, I'm shooting Portrait 800 on both of the cameras. I finished the roll on the M6 and put a new one in the middle of nowhere in Norway. It's super beautiful, a lot of interesting stuff, beautiful mountains, still surprisingly much snow left. The tractors are running, so what else can you ask for? Anyways, I'm starting to make my way back towards home. Still roughly 5 more hours to drive, so there will be some good spots to stop by, so let's keep rolling. So it's been a long day since I got up for sunrise at 4 a.m. and we are done with a few film rolls. Pretty stoked about at least the spots that I got to shoot. So now that the batteries are dying, I thought that I will just wrap up the video and we are done with a few rolls of film. If you enjoyed the video, let me know down in the comments, and also what was your preferred camera. And yeah, thanks again for tuning in and hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Peace.